Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Dear students, our today's lesson is naming words. Now look at the picture, listen and understand. Naming words that name people, places, animals and things. The story is Cat and Dog. Cat and dog were running. The cat was chasing the butterfly and the dog was chasing the ball. They hit the pot. Pot broke. "Oh no," said the cat. "We broke the pot." "Oops," said the dog. A little girl came. The girl was helping them to clean up the mess. "Thanks," said the cat. "No problem," said the girl. Working together, the cat and dog learned the lesson. They were playing together. See you in the next lesson.